Ebushia di Ghanaian Times ebetwa so ewo ensem an na yede ba the wonkata na poso mu no na sawohwe de wonkata the Ghanaian Times mu a edom kuma e wo mra hyebedwam ene wonum ato sante na sije papa yi omo so omo yi no NDC candidate ni PC na no o tachima south no ade yi ombobo ye so omo si adane so papa no mra hyebedwam no na mo womo nante aba isi hono so hwe Ghanaian Times ya nipa ne shirt no so na fu no so na ye ono a
wo she blue shirt no
wono a
nti me share video no wo muduro bi approach for no no na wo bi approach for no ka say you are not a member of parliament say na why no onya MP a
ye candidate no wo ko bi they say it is any wawura ma hyebedwam mo eno omo ye press conference nyina no say eno awutie efo a wo mo se da ye be mo no parliament ne ye so onso be ko hobi no akwa akohai onso be ko honti ye je kosa gina ha na je onu so gina ha ne ahwe ne obehwaye na the bonka tai say eno edom kuma ye wo mra hyebedwam eko electoral commission wanya kura enwura wo mo ye so mo koro no
ma me kwa homa no so na me ne ora chamanten entwetwe enkomo ora chamanten wote menka
mete won kapa
wato official pa
afin commission ye honko
mentimi hu sababi a wo no wo de ne yesronko a kosua wo ho sabri aye ka sei
kosua ewo haba ne boyedin kakra
ewo hoba ne boyedin
yeah me okuma sisi
okay and what has accounted for the increase
well say share value chain in my portfolio no omo use ebro more about 50% of my production cost ebro and I feel so sure say the ebro climate na ebro no NC amasilesiti no ye no so koma no munya bi de wo ho no so anane bo so akwakoye din and I say wo to ade a very key to production as a price ni was sure definitely the output now the beba out and so bo be kosho enti ebro no na now ye betimi aka say ama kusia bo no so akosho.
Okay, into price range, you know, between saying because on a pay, ya take prices in the Bibri, Rachamanting.
Well, Kesiano vary from 22 to 24 cities. We should create now from 22 to 24.
Okay.
Yes, and Kitwano is around 17 to 18. And that hasn't been the normal pricing. Definitely, a cost kakra. Any pleasant to win na abama imubebere ba pekosia pa no disi agro you say ye ni match chamba ko ba ko kakra.
Okay, at this point you know emwa ben na wo hwa poultry farmers ne betimi anya ma wamo cost no abafam kakra man kosua no so bo no atimi abafam
disi ase ebro no bo no bafam na so monya bia ebeboa. Entino the Chamber of Agribusiness yanso ye say ye person side be CBO entino ye person ye connect ye maize producers no to ye poultry farmers and say there'll be a ready market they be serve you right from the farm no to them at a very good agreed price. Entino this year the agents because of the climate you know ama brunaya basan ye hwe ni mo say next year na be ye all the stakeholders in the share, especially Ghana Metro for no so between say the word and the CIA, media planning, it poultry farmers no are coordinating very, very well.
Yeah, Drew, that point as a importing kusia and so do we have enough you bet me exporting
kusia no. Definitely, we might have to do some imports because of say a Brunans why diama a bin to me enya be more one into. Definitely, we might have to support it a little bit with that. But then, any say baby, yes, maybe I was importing a crack. Ebe augment the current demand.
Me bacho ye importing kusia ana feed asem na okay.
Ebro na meka.
Okay. Ebro no. Okay.
Importing a credit, maybe support your farmers because this year no, because of climate change na urban and say no. In fact, say you're proactive. I bet you honestly speaking. Say you situation the weather drought, I feel drought, a lot of yield. My yield papa. Even though it has, but this year was worse. If you are falling here and showing and showing ma, a time of here and showing talk. And the production will be very, 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 very bad for most farmers or in Ghana. And to the current situation, drought, is the major factor. Okay.
Alright, man, was na yemfa ensi ha. Ura Kofi Chairmantin Nyantin, Director, Climate Change Monitoring and Evaluation, Chamber of Agribusiness, Ghana. And I mean, not to train Komono. Well, Honorable George Odro, Deputy Minister of Agri, Wabeka Mesa Humano. So, Honorable, what you mean, come on, Fishapa?
Joe Major,
I want to do
Papa.
Yadanyamiasi. Feeder poultry farmers, one more man kuko. Yan chese ne bono akosoro kakra. Edientia, Madarma.
You made us and I'm in chair with you for. The feed in the per se, the components in the feed in Namana Basa because of a brew bono, a pigeon in Mukakra because Nancy in your problem kakrebi about a brew. From September, no Tama, you be a borders, our neighboring countries, especially in Nigeria, and Benin, and Togo. Omoche, your brony, one of if you know for pa na COVID names in Nigeria, per se, omunya problem kakra about a brew. It is here's talk I want. What training numbers almost in adequate. And there's some experience drought so kakra. Or southern sector and northern sector. But the drought in the Ananka Silano says Ghana, self-sufficient export to be that. And they can know the NKB okay. But the major contributing factor no year, our neighboring countries, volumes now almost 20 coin. And I criticize problem now. My poultry farmers also but last week, Tuesday, Minister Tuwanamo, or your meeting with. And there was security implication, Kaka. Then the interview.
Okay, but my son Bisani say neighboring countries, one more chair Bruno Econo, Yandri Yankasanga say home. Honorable.
Oh, who said, don't forget, the WTO member, so I just say, and the ECOWAS members, and the illegal say, will be a Budia quarter or more to the aqua. But what we should have done, said the Okan and say, now, me feel say I was like we stop party for your poultry farmers.
Yeah.
Only the poultry farmers. Because Tuesday, last week Tuesday, poultry farmers in the minute be shy. And you are taking measures they try to save the poultry farmers. And they going forward, like we said, for me, I was here stockpile for only the poultry farmers, only them. Because I'm consume a lot for in the at least BBC and when he be my home and I'm also over too. But as I said, there, I was a measures be up the more a bema shortage near the and yes, no coin. The poultry farmers, you know, much here just to save their business.
Okay. Minimum waya what the bema se obi adwene sesi ayeka say ayene say aban sorry ya was planting for food and jobs and so anapay ye tin komo say ebro ho ayeden ma ebro no bo no ekosoro it na say planting for food and jobs no ye koya na ye buy ube yina no say honorable
anu me be yina no say from 2017 every say and net 2020 ye kate asema nkomo oni midi what be that. So this is the first time only meeting conversation.
Yes.
In over the 3.5 years and now less than 3 years now, young team come be saying. So a failure, Sanka in Komobisi every year be able to be there and then. So what do I say? We know a year one a drought and over export. Export also don't forget this year the whole world we had a challenge COVID no. Now neighboring countries, especially Nigeria, a serious problem about Johnny. And the planning for food and job. ECOWAS here, members in meet Macate, and yet young planning for food and job here, and can be pretty Nigeria. Omenya problem pa. A society another year successful. But I don't unfortunately say COVID by don't forget Ghana. you could see a border somewhere March up to September. Even within Ghana and a woman, what they say, you are short to a Diane, and Obi pay a Diane a wunya bida. In because of the planting for food and job, no, we had enough within the system, a local your up for 6 months to be uncomplaining that. You be a border here and you animal room. Eddie planning for food and job there. I hear success story. I mean, okay, tell them 3 years down the line, and then COVID year by a neighbor's buyer, and can be say, and you know, near Bopaya, and as a Jumano and Uncle Ye. But
I'm say a be a border, airport today, and as a border Benny BA.
Who's a border, the cruise borders, and Ghana goods and service are allowed to pass through, meaning so you are aware of that. And I'm just say, Omunya problem, Nigeria there, me aware so we have problem. The Omubu room, Omuchi, Adrian, and the corn. Any who's our problem. And my example say, for the past 3 years, and I'm giving you examples there. Foreigners and I in neighboring countries, and the boo room, I tell you we are aware because your mom report the BO upper west. Onukra report on this issue. Videos we are meeting my send them. Volumes of trucks are Elche, Brunei, near Brunko, Brunei soya bean across the borders. So I just say, I hear success story.
Okay.
But that unfortunately is a COVID by an in neighboring countries, and no problem. Left a Cayenne Quadia, and he ain't no problem. So let me catch you say from March to September, I cruise you and the organa. You see, and see, you are not sufficient.
And the honorable Tizia, Goshaboya, Yentimi, and to anything.
Oh, Jimmy Dokusia, who see coming review Jimmy Dokusia.
Honorable, and then you talk Kosiabako once in the 50 pesos. Kosiabako once in the 50 pesos.
Oh, how we got
me 2 cities.
My Toby 20 cities a crit. So I'm surprised. And you say situation be bad, people take advantage. So we can COVID crap by now. Lockdown immediately. No, now man for fees they are no birthday. They do not walk course and about because you have enough food in the system. Don't know within a month, a month for say they know no say a sort of coin. When you say na coin, a Bruno say American minister taking measures be about the next 2-3 weeks at a month. No, a best stabilizing. I'm born by sign abafo.
Okay. Honorable Crack, you do say they import a bro. Are we there?
Oh, yes. You are checking volumes, you know. We are trying to import 55,000.
Okay.
Metric tons.
Yeah, they imported 55,000 metric tons of a bro.
Yes, to augment the shortfall. No. All the time, we are any with data. No. So now we know all the things are by January, February, March. And from for an American meeting to save the poultry farmers, poultry farmers in India. Now, I mean, from 2006 up to first quarter of 2018, Ghana every year near Krebu until first quarter of 2018, young Krebu beam ABC and now no cash 55,000. 55,000 a year in Avia. Ghana, your consumption here between 1 million to 1.2 million metric tons per annum. And then produce almost 3 million. And export. Now COVID no man Nigeria problem. Now Nigeria massa a wide country. Almost consumption and no so in the omuna am problem.
Okay.
But you who a minister as far no. And the panic be no. If I say the 55,000 be shame until say no for no I feel no more year harvest. And the measures be to why and I'm gonna say was security implications, then the main farm to that.
Okay.
But you are trying to save the poultry farmers. That's the bottom line.
Honorable Bedase, Yamfensia.
You always know that was morning.
Honorable George Odroye, Deputy Minister Agrek, and I'm in a train command. Mamene David Nampofo, or a Bono Chairman for the Poultry Farmers Association. David.
Yes, sir.
Afishapa.
That's a damn
Bibi Abokode.
I'm doing.
Sesia, Menoka say who hins is our Bono region. Domain crew.
Yes, sir.
Because you are great, you're saying.
You mean, Madawas, any kind. I'm a Ghana food in a finishing so, oh, my queen, no pen, said Giants, and Kayasam Kaka. Currently, the Kosia started from 20 cities up to 26 cities per crate. At farm price.
At farm price, and I shall say free 20 cities, the Copembe 26 cities.
Yes, sir.
I see. Nebona Kosro.
No, Edenia.
Edenia.
A Burasam, Venezuela, evidence idea, Diana, Namabono, Apajad Mukaka. The first in his friends, Kushabo, since I'm a credible pottery industry. Now, pottery impulsion, so I turn 130 bag fishing, I do 200. Maybe I turn 140, I do 250. Feed my turn 20 cities and I'm 332 Ghana cities. Okay. The impulse no work so said you'll be a few age, my age, but over young for so catra. But here they can't quana. By and say, Eddie can't come once and a banner, Eddie for so catra. And says, no, Mamma, I sure as a Bruno Mobile Crabby. Under my importers not Crabby at the morning. And then I sent a bit of materials. Since I'm not cut a share, a brush or two. Feed brown, so I thought because feed brown the profanity of women's companies, or multi pellet at the core foreign countries or more the Quakoma Umpongon. The local industry, no more why it is a minister Casade, which a signal made to a man, sir, a moncheck, feed now, or more flower made Iranian brothers in the way. Okay, more the industry, and yet, Umpazomukula local industry into a best so we want the boss was not any trade industry now or more boy. Since I'm not as a mini feed now, I could tell you. They say, are you kunku to kunku? You could feed brown. Best
saying, I wouldn't feed brown.
Best 150,000.
150,000 beds.
Yeah.
Wow. Eti usire na manage je say ya uni aduane sabe aduane kwa de be ma omi
Aze ja unam na ja o tasi in stores but now ke crowded that from factory feed now everything the but we nya there so we call stores that we chin kaka say be am kokko no imu na because huge amount now so yes we university ewum say I just said there say be tra ban no animu ya kwa papa bi obefa said you over my local industry no at me Ghana so you know said you ever some Ghana mine ebe ma Ghana for so nya dia papa nya nkoko papa so I then are so the layer bed it I said on better 35 Ghana cedis our farm price nkana enton sa but baby a ma na ekono wakoji bank loan interest rate no e was so I do the na say ebe free abai no na ni mo ye no about take a decision go under consult farmers no I say actually I do at the time you go more so I know more take a decision so we take care of that consultation yes they were for that say you yeah you go more consult and pay for the night of many so you know what is going on abro wa say me kai but they say my permit my fan kra abro ni bi and so say Nigeria for Burkina and you ma shortage aba see how to bro 50 kg there to be so the doctor I try to about to be a 2 CDs or 3 CDs you know most the way I near my acquisition elections in the Jalco Canada says oh yeah politics but the actual they said in for okay
all right my man was not your fancy here That's David Kwabnampofo, chairman Poultry Farmers Association, Bono region. And I mean, no, actually, and common. Grace will party clinics if I read Brano Mutuas and Famau. Omun Robo Fide, Dr. Fonia Nets for Homo Trebe show, my idea, no, every so cry and maybe you. In Ronu Kwana Bitia Hokantina, maybe it's a general consulting, laboratory services, general body scan, physiotherapy, dietary counseling, Ninano, a free. Madina, Akachiabo. Last stop, and I'll be Grace Homeopathic Clinic. From 0556 181 and 0200 067 Grace Homeopathic Clinic, a mission from God for humanity. Etel Tigo Emo Akwenya, why free morning calls. from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Busuminsia. Asanso at the free Airtel Tigo transaction at auto Busuminsia. Nesa we answer auto Airtel Tigo sim. Na afi why Airtel Tigo money transfer. Unya ye automatic with them 6 months. Na okasasa. Another phone so dial star 110 hash. Where old customer to send me star 110 hash. Na afe with as little as 2 Ghana cedis no what me a subscriber for the free morning offer. When you have for enter some don't waste time at all. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo, money, life is simple. Milo, any other bon on a pay whom rant here, sports presenters in Oma Betty, Aya Kitia, and Womanum. Fresh boy, Kejuan Ankasa, and a fine boy, the maestro, Milo. With Milo, every child is an MVP. With Milo, every child is a champion. Milo, the energy food drink of future champions. And then, Adolf